Sometimes they apologize in a different way.
Okay.
Well, your question was why I like.
What is your name? Where are you from? What did you do before rain? And what are your personal results?
Well, my name is Jos Kirkels. I'm from Holland. I became acquainted with rain because of my wife. And she said to me I had to go here because it's very interesting, and I know rain because my youngest son has Lyme's disease, and he was...
What kind of disease?
Lyme's disease.
What is it?
Lyme's disease is a tick, you know, a tick, the ones which bites you.
Yes, I know.
Get the Lyme's disease. He has the Lyme disease, and he got better almost instantly because of Sol and Core.
Excuse me.
So the products...
How quick did it
2
help?
weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
So the products...
With no antibiotics, nothing?
No. We were too late with the antibiotics.
Okay, good.
So there was no antibiotics. So the products was no problem. I was over again. She started with the products, and about 3/4 of a year she's now active doing business. And actually, I'm doing business since yesterday.
Oh, great! Congratulations! Congratulations!
No problem. And I promised my wife, you can save this. I'll be on stage in 2 years.
As a diamond.
I hope.
Okay, great, good. And maybe your wife can tell a few words? I'm sorry, just say a few words like why did you choose rain and what are your results? Because your husband recommended you. Just a few words.
But I don't want to. Jos zegt mij er altijd.
You might say in German if you...
I speak English. I speak better English than German. So that's no problem.
Just shortly.
What do you want to know?
Your personal results, like you sleep better, you more energy, or I don't know.
For me, my energy level is better. My hormones are better. I feel better.
So you're happy with the product?
Yes, I am.
Okay, thank you very much.